What's going on, legends? We're working on this VSS today. Got a few things to do. We're going to be pulling out the gearbox, redo the clutch, but while that's out, we're going to redo the rear main seal. We're going to recoat the tail shaft, and we are going to fix up the exhaust because it's fallen apart. I think it's actually fallen off the car. So, yeah, a few little jobs to do on it. We're going to be doing this after hours, so I'll do a little bit each day, and it'll all be one video to you guys. But yeah, let's get into it.
Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, off the juice, coding got me tripping. Cut the coupe, Walker roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping.
Addy boys got some 60s in my bag. Lips sealed, ain't pillow talking on no rag. In my earlobe, got 2 carats, VVS. Got a penthouse near Rodeo, off for stress. All this money, when I grew up, I had nothing. Filled with backstabbing, my whole life is disgusting. Can't believe it, gotta thank God that I'm living comfortably. Getting checks I don't believe, but she say she done with me. Burn some bridges and I let the fire light the way. Kicking my feet up, left the PJs on a PJ. Yeah, I'm a big dog and I walk around with no leash. I got water on me, yeah, everything on Fiji.
Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, off the juice, coding got me tripping. Cut the coupe, Walker roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping.
I'm a rockstar, pack up toys, tipping walls, hey. Add up raw, finish nuts, and expose, hey. I was 15, I took codeine with my dog, hey. 50 Percocet, put methazine, I feel nauseous. Put up a stick and I hop on a plane, still in my wallways. Shit is so risky, I gotta be gifted. He blessed me with fortune and fame. I remember from 50, I couldn't go back empty. I knew I was stuck to the game. Loyal and I never change. I'm never gonna go against the grain. I'm never gonna be the one turn on my brother when police just gotta detain. I won't ever love a bitch more than my mother, and that's on my government name. I can't be no sucker, ain't hating on no one. I wish everybody get paid, cause we can't up every day. Getting hot talent in the grave.
Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, off the juice, coding got me tripping. Cut the coupe, Walker roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping.
Something's telling me this bolt doesn't want to come out in one piece. Yep. Yep. Oh man. Yep, that's a snap bolt. Man. Yeah, bugger.
Internet money, bitch.
We love you, Tacta.
Why you jacking steady till we roll off? I got all these bitches loving me like I ain't so soft. Start talking with your chest, little bitty bitch, you better bold off. Told her hit my jacket when she hit me, told her hold off. I just want somebody, to treat me like somebody, And not like anybody, body. All you gotta do is love me for me, girl. I just want somebody, body, to treat me like somebody, body. And not like anybody, body. All you gotta do is love me for me, girl. I just want somebody, body, to treat me like somebody, body. You wanna talk, you better call me, call me. Don't gotta wait, don't gotta storm me, storm me. You know I'm on my phone, I pick it up when it ring. You know I hit you back cause you was my everything. You know you be my queen if you let me be a king. You know you in the gym, so I got you with anything. Why you jacking static till we roll off? I got all these bitches loving me like I ain't so soft. Start talking with your chest, little bitty bitch, you better bold off. Told her hit my jacket when she hit me, told her hold off. I just want somebody, body, to treat me like somebody, body. And not like anybody, body. All you gotta do is love me for me, girl. I just want somebody, body, to treat me like somebody, body. And not like anybody, body. All you gotta do is love me for me, girl.
I'm sick of acting like everything's okay when it's not good. Nowadays everybody wanna be top one. I don't feel nobody, I be talking to my shotgun. In the two-seat in my shawty playing shotgun. But I need somebody, body, yeah. Niggas moving walkie, yeah. My car key got a button to start it. I don't think a boogie really fucking with artists. The king of the jungle in the Rari, yeah. Be lying, I know you fucking somebody else. Go ahead, be daddy, you like the party, yeah. Don't you call me my nickname, don't call me Artie, yeah.
Why you jacking static till we roll off? I got all these bitches loving me like I ain't so soft. Start talking with your chest, little bitty bitch, you better bold off. Told her hit my jacket when she hit me, told her hold off. I just want somebody, body, to treat me like somebody, body. And not like anybody, body. All you gotta do is love me for me, girl. I just want somebody, body, to treat me like somebody, body. And not like anybody, body. All you gotta do is love me for me, girl.
Alright legends, quick update. So I've had the gearbox out, rear main plates out, put a new rear main plate in, put the new clutch kit in, put the bell housing back in. I'm about to swap over the bearing on the gearbox with the new one, and then we'll throw the gearbox back in. Yeah, we're getting pretty close, so hopefully I should be able to wrap this up tonight. It's currently Thursday night. I want to have it sort of done because I only pop in for a couple of hours on a Friday. So yeah, Friday I want to just come in, bleed clutch, do the exhaust, and then it's finished, and then he's picking it up theoretically on Saturday. So I kind of need to be doing testing tomorrow night to make sure it's all good, and then yeah, I'll be handing it back over to him. So week in, week out, he dropped off last Saturday, then I've just been doing it after hours. And he'll be picking it up this Saturday. Yeah, after hours for me is hectic because I'm already in here a couple of hours of the day just replying to emails and organising work and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, chuck this on top. I'll kind of do like around, what have I been working? Like around 16 hours a day. So yeah, it's pretty hectic. Don't really like doing that every week. I try and keep it between 12 and 14 hour days during the week so that I can at least get home and relax a little bit before I go to bed. But yeah, it so happens that sometimes you just got to do those 16 hour days and then you've got 8 hours, which I only sleep for about 6 usually. So yeah, it still gives me a bit of time to chill out and do stuff, but you fall behind in like the house cleaning and washing and things like that. But anyway, I'm whinging about things that are unnecessary. Let's get back into it.
Teed up, I've been taking drugs till my heart stop. Read up, I might hit the plug, I need a walk, drink up. She just tryna let me cause my eyes like it's readers. You know that she want me cause it's finders, keepers. Got him looking silly, he can't find her, weeper. Brody gotta strip and get behind her, teamer. She gon' hit the front, give me mine till her knees hurt. But I had to kick her to the side, I don't need her.
I'ma keep on counting all this money till my fingers hurt. And I get a money counter, this shit got an endless limit. Rock out in my wonderland like I can't hear a hating nigga. Smoke out on my useless feelings, I do not debate what's saying. On the dark side of your life, got a lot of evil energy, but it's not mine. Got a lot of evil enemies, and that's all fine. But you're the only thing I worry about when I'm not high.
I've been taking drugs till my heart stop. Read up, I might hit the plug, I need a walk, drink up. She just tryna let me cause my eyes like it's readers. You know that she want me cause it's finders, keepers. Got him looking silly, he can't find her, weeper. Brody gotta strip and get behind her, teamer. She gon' hit the front, give me mine till her knees hurt. But I had to kick her to the
side. Pop out at your party, snuck the whole gang in it. Tryna have the fam in like it's Thanksgiving. Love Brody Banks, Smith and Zan. I just chase millions. Used to wear the same shit. This on my day-to-day mission. We giving out smoke, you get high from that contact. And we taking souls like a death row contract. Smith and Wesson compact. Hit on with that damn where you find that. Head tap, make that nigga blame what's mine up. I've been taking.
Alright, legends, so it is Friday. Went pretty well last night. Got the gearbox in. Most of the exhaust is on. I've just got to put the rear mufflers on and then, yeah, put the tips on and weld them on, and then the exhaust is done. And bleed the clutch, and then just put a few little bits and pieces back together, like the center console and stuff. But I don't want to put the center console back together until we are done, because that trim's a pain in the ass to get out. So, yeah, in case for whatever reason, touch wood, something went wrong, I don't want to have to, pull that trim back out again. So I'm gonna, pull the gear. So Jamie's coming in shortly, and we will be bleeding the clutch, and then hopefully by the time he gets here I can have the mufflers done. If not, it doesn't really matter. We can do that once he gets here. But bleed the clutch and then make sure it's all good. We'll start it on the hoist and go through the gears, make sure it's selecting all the gears right and everything's fine. And if it passes that test, then we will take it out on the road and take it for a drive and make sure everything's cool. But anyway, let's get back into it.
Joy to my heart stop, read up, I might hit the plug, I need a walk, drink up. She just tryna live me cause my eyes like it's readers. He know that she with me cause it's finders, keepers. Got him looking silly, he can't find her, weeper. Brody gotta strip and get behind her, teamer. She gon' hit the floor and give me mine till her knees hurt. But I had to kick her to the side, I don't need her.
See the floor go through already. Get so many more camera angles when I'm not doing it myself. Yep. Right side up.
Alright, hold to the floor.
Hold to the floor.
Yep.
Yep.
Alright, pump it. Hold it.
Yep.
Pump it.
Deep in the water, far as I can see. Deep in the water, it's just you and me. Deep in the water, far as I can see. Deep in the water, through your pregnancy. Sexy love, sexy love. Yes, I knew you were the rush. I'm fucking ODS, and that's how less. You need everything.
No. It's just still lit that on fire. But it's just, I don't know, it's just nerving.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is about welding, Jamie, but I just really enjoy it.
You said you wanna take control of me, but I got all the answers. You want me done with the strip club, you know I'm done with them dancers. We made love under the moonlight, we took all our chances. Deep in the water, far as I can see. Deep in the water, it's just you and me. Deep in the water, far as I can see. Deep in the water, through your pregnancy. Sexy love, sexy love. Guess we moving too fast. Whatever beach right now, got my hand deep down in the sack. Hit the blunt with a bean in it. Come and sit and relax. Well, I'm down in the A right now. I'm chopping down there, got flat. Calling if you want some. No, I feel your heartbeat. You act like you love nobody. Tell them that you love me. Say yes, I do. Say yes, I do. Say yes, I do. Deep in the water, far as I can see. Deep in the water, it's just you and me. Deep in the water, far as I can see. Deep in the water, through your pregnancy.
Alright, so me and Jamie just went for a test drive. It drives really, really well. It's a nice clutch. It's definitely a heavy duty clutch. You can feel that on the pedal. I mean, I knew that anyway, but I just mean the pedal's hard to push. So I wouldn't want to drive this after a 12-hour day of being in construction. My leg would be giving up on me. But yeah, it seems to be all going good. We're just going to chuck it back on the hoist now just to give it another check over and make sure everything's cool, no leaks. And then I've just got to put this trim back together, and I'll let the customer know that he can pick it up if he wants to. Hey! He's going to the toilet. Oh, that's alright. No, that's fine. I'll talk by myself. I'm used to talking by myself. Either talking by myself or to myself. Oh. Anyway, yes, we just put it back on the hoist. Everything looks good. Jamie put the cover back under the engine. We put the interior back together. Someone's decided to sit on their horn out the front. What an idiot. Anyway, car's done. Just rang the customer. He's going to come pick it up. Yeah, everything went well. Performs well, drives well. I think he's going to be really happy. But it's just that I don't know whether it was a rear main seal that was leaking. I reckon it was the sump to the gasket underneath that was leaking. So we'll just have to monitor that and see whether that starts leaking again. If it does, we'll have to fix it.
Hello.
Hello. Yes. Did you hear that? The horn? Someone was just sitting on their horn. Didn't hear that. Someone up there was just like sitting on
Up on the freeway.
No, just literally just there. You know the cars are reversing over there? Yeah, someone over there was just sitting on their horn. Beep, like the whole time you're on the toilet, you didn't hear it. Wow. That's it for today's video. I sort of bucketed down rain there. It was coming in that hard. It was flying into the shop, so I had to shut the roller door. The water was coming in that quick, so it sort of threw me off. But anyway, we put the car on the hoist and gave it a check over. Yeah, and everything was good. Everything seems to be working fine. So I've gave the customer a message letting him know he can actually pick the car up today. He's going to pick it up tomorrow. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to be here both days. Yeah, so all seemed to go well. Exhaust is on, tail shaft's redone, gearbox has been done with the new clutch, rear main plate's been done. I think you should be pretty happy. Like I said, the only thing that I'm a little bit worried about is that it wasn't the rear main leaking. It's actually the sump gasket. But we're just going to have to monitor that and see, and if it is, it'll have to be a job in the future. But yeah, if you guys need something like this done to your car, hit me up. I'm mainly focused around suspension and wheel clearance solutions, which I'll do in any make and model. I have a really strong background in Holden HSV, so I'm happy to do pretty much anything on those cars. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and make sure you drop a comment. Appreciate the comments. Let me know what you think about the video, what you liked about the video, even what you don't like about the video. I'm into constructive criticism, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.